Hi guys, it's Jinjin here again. Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. So ngayon guys, magsusolve na naman tayo ng intermediate level age problem for civil service exam. So simulan na natin. A is 3 times as old as B. 3 years ago, A is 4 times as old as B. Find the sum of their ages. Okay, so para mas maintindihan natin, gumawa lang tayo ng table. So isulat natin yung mga given. So, A and B. So, ito na yung gagamitin nating variables, guys, since iisang letter lang naman. Okay? So, isulat lang natin past, present, and future. Okay. So, tignan natin, guys, yung mga conditions, no? So, unang condition dito, sabi niya, A is 3 times as old as B. So, si A daw is 3 times. So, 3 times B. Okay, so na-solve na natin guys yung unang equation. So ngayon naman, tignan natin yung second condition. Sabi niya dito, 3 years ago. So kapag sinabing ago guys, that is in the past. Okay, so aatras tayo ngayon ng 3 years. So sa A guys, pag umatras ka ng 3 years, magiging A minus 3 and si B naman magiging B minus 3. So, dito na ngayon tayo kukuha ng equation natin. Okay? So, 3 years ago, A is 4 times as old as B. So, si A daw or A minus 3 is 4 times. So, 4 times yung B na B minus 3 na. Okay? So, na-solve na natin guys yung dalawang equation natin. So, ang gagawin natin is kunin na lang natin yung mga values nila. So, ang hinahanap guys is yung sum of their ages. So, dalawang value yung kukunin natin and then i-add natin. Okay? So, itong value ng A dito guys sa unang equation, isalpak lang natin siya dito sa second equation. So, A is equal to 3B and then copy negative 3 is equal to 4 times B that is 4B. And then 4 times negative 3 that is negative 12. Okay, so iisang variable na lang. So, pagsamahin natin siya. So, itong negative 3 dito, ilipat natin sa kanan. And itong negative 12 naman, ililipat natin sa kaliwa. So, mangyayari, 4B, magiging minus na yung 3B na nilipat natin. Itong negative 12, pag nilipat natin sa kabila, magiging positive 12. And then, copy yung naiwan na negative 3. Okay, so 4B minus 3B, that is B na lang. 12 minus 3, that is 9. Okay, so nakuha na natin guys yung value ni variable B. Ngayon naman, kukunin naman natin yung value ni variable Y. So, using our first equation, so isalpak lang naman natin yung value ni B dyan. So, ma-isolate na si variable A. Okay, so isalpak lang natin. So, A is equal to 3 times B or yung value ng B is 9. So, 3 times 9. So, value ni A guys, that is 27. So, nakuha na natin guys yung dalawang values. Ang gagawin natin, since ang hinahanap is yung sum of their ages, i-add lang natin sila. So, A plus B or that is value ni A na 27 plus value ni B na 9. So, 27 plus 9 that is 36. So, ito na yung sagot natin guys. So, that is letter B. So yun no, sana naintindihan nyo yung explanation natin. So madali lang siya as long as nagagawa nyo yung equation natin ng tama. So yun lang guys. Salamat sa panonood. Kita-kits tayo sa next video ko.